Understanding Graduate Seminar, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and context of the phrases graduate and seminar, especially when they're combined to form graduate seminar. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English, this video is tailored to help you grasp these concepts easily. Let's get started. In this section, we'll dissect the phrase graduate seminar into two parts: graduate and seminar. Graduate, explained. The term graduate refers to a person who has completed a degree, especially a bachelor's degree, at a college or university. However, in the context of our phrase, it points to a higher level of education, typically postgraduate studies like master's or doctoral programs. Seminar, defined. A seminar is a form of academic instruction, either at an academic institution or offered by a professional organization. It typically involves small group discussions, led by a professor or an expert, focusing on advanced topics. Seminars encourage interactive learning and often require active participation from attendees. Now that we understand the individual words, let's explore what happens when they come together to form graduate seminar. The setting of a graduate seminar. A graduate seminar is a specialized course in a postgraduate program. Unlike typical lectures, seminars are more interactive and discussion-based, involving a smaller group of students. They are designed to foster deep understanding and critical thinking about advanced topics. The role of participants. In a graduate seminar, students are expected to be more engaged and proactive. This might include presenting research, leading discussions, and actively participating in debates. The environment is usually more collaborative than in undergraduate courses. Understanding the purpose and benefits of attending a graduate seminar can be crucial for students. Academic growth. Graduate seminars are instrumental in developing advanced knowledge and research skills. They provide an opportunity for students to delve deeper into their field of study. Professional development. These seminars also play a significant role in professional networking. They offer a platform for students to connect with professors, industry experts, and fellow students, which can be invaluable for future career opportunities. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of a graduate seminar and its significance in higher education. Remember, a graduate seminar is more than just a class. It's a journey towards academic and professional excellence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.